Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this lesson, we are going to talk about linear equations. To solve linear equation, the first step, you leave the unknown alone. To leave the unknown alone, you send numbers to the other side of equal sign. You use inverse or order of BODMAS to send numbers to the other side. Notice I said inverse order of BODMAS. Normally, according to BODMAS, you do your operation from bracket first, then multiplication division, then addition subtraction. Now you are going to use opposite order of BODMAS. That means you are not going to send multiplication division to the other side first. You are going to send addition subtraction to the other side first. Right. The last thing to say about rules, you use inverse operation of numbers when you send to the other side. Okay, what did I mean? Let me explain to you. First, I said we are going to leave the unknown alone. Okay, that is my unknown. By the way, 2x means 2 times x. Alright. So, I said we are going to use inverse order of BODMAS. That means I'm going to send this addition to the other side. So, other side of the equal sign. And then I say that you are going to use inverse operation of the number. That means this is going to be subtraction. So 2x equals to 17 minus 3. 2x equals to 14. I'm looking there. I have still there one number there. This is going to the other side as division. X is going to be 14 divided by 2. So x is 7. Alright, my next question is 4x minus 5 equals to 19. So what is the value of x? I will leave the unknown alone. To leave the unknown alone, send numbers to the other side. I will start with addition subtraction. This will go to the other side as addition. Please don't confuse. Don't start to send this 4 to the other side first. That's common mistake. Alright, now, and the other thing I want to say is that when you send the numbers to the other side, you change operation. Because in some questions we are going to have negative sign there. And then that negative sign won't change. If there is multiplication there, this multiplication will change. But there the sign is changing because it is subtraction. That is becoming addition. I will show you in one question. So take this one to the other side as addition. 4x equals to 19 plus 5. That will give me 4x equals to 24. So 4 is going to the other side as division. X equals to 24 divided by 4. X will be 6. Let's have a look at this question. 5 times bracket x plus 2 close to bracket equals to 40. What is the value of x? Alright, for this question I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is that you open this bracket. That will give me 5x plus 10 equals to 40. Then you will leave unknown alone. This one will go to the other side as subtraction. 5x equals to 40 minus 10. 5x equals to 30. And this one will go to the other side as division. That will be 5x equals to, x equals to 30 divided by 5. X equals to 6. So that was my first method. Open the bracket, then leave the unknown alone. Alright, now let's check the second method. So you can send this times 5 to the other side as division without opening the bracket. That will give you x plus 2 equals to 40 divided by 5. X plus 2 equals to 8. And this one to the other side is subtraction. X is going to be 8 minus 2, which is 6. See, I got the same answer. I must get the same answer. That was my second method. And it is up to you whether to use the first or second method. But for some questions, this one is easier. For some questions, the other one is easier. So let's have a look at this question now. See, I told you we have two methods, and it is up to you to use any of them. But for this question, opening bracket is going to be easier because 16 is not divisible by 3. If you send this 3 to the other side as division, you are going to deal with fractions. So if you don't want to deal with fractions, just open the bracket. That will be 6x plus 15 equals to 16. And this one will go to the other side as subtraction. 6x equals to 16 minus 15. So from there 6x is going to be 1, and this will go to the other side as division. X will be 1 over 1 divided by 6. That means 1 over 6. Alright, remember that line was division already. That means you can write this one instead of this. Alright, now when you have rational numbers, fractions in linear equation, what you do? Now you will check denominators of rational numbers 4 and 2. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? Which is 4. So you will multiply all terms by 4. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. When you multiply by 4, this will simplify to each other. That will be 1, 1. And this simplify to each other. 1, 2. So 1 times x will be x plus 4x equals to 4 times negative 3, negative 12, plus 2 times 1 times x, which is 2x. Alright, so now you are going to choose one side for unknowns, one side for other numbers, because I have unknown in this side and this side. Now it is up to you to use this or this side. Doesn't matter which side you want to use. I want to use this side. That means I'm going to take this number, this unknown, to left side. While I'm taking this one to there, I will change this operation. So this one will be 5x. 5x minus 2x. And by the way, there is not any number to send to right side. Equals to negative 12. Okay, 5x minus 2x that will give me 3x equals to negative 12. And then this will go to the other side as division. X is going to be negative 12 divided by 3. Negative 12 divided by 3 will give me negative 4. X will be negative 4. By the way, if you want to check your answer, you just can take this negative 4, put instead of x into the equation, and you will see this side and this side will be the same. So this one is the first method, and I suggest you to do this method, because for the second method you need to make the same denominators for all of them. Then you are going to do your operations from this side and this side, then choose one side for unknown, the other side for the other numbers. That means it's going to be longer than this one. That's why just choose this method. It's much easier and is a short method. All right, now let's have a look at this question. So negative 3x minus 6 equals to negative 18. So what is the value of x? Okay, take this one to the other side first. That will be negative 3x equals to negative 18 plus 6. This became addition. Then you will get negative 3x equals to, from integers, this will give you negative 12. Okay, I want you to pay attention here. So remember I said when you take the numbers to the other side, you change operation. So their sign changed because of the operation. Operation was subtraction, it became addition. Here this operation is multiplication, it will be division, right? And this sign will stay the same. You won't change that side because you change operation. That's common mistake, because students are taking this negative 3 to the other side as positive 3. That's common mistake. Don't do that mistake, please. You're changing the operation, not the sign. Their sign is changing because of operation. If you notice, I repeated a few times those things because it is very important. That will be negative 3. So from there, x will be, from integers, negative 12. You can put bracket, is okay because of the sign and the sign. If you notice, I put the bracket. So negative 12 divided by negative 3 will be positive 4. All right, let's have a look at that long question. So I see there is one bracket there, one bracket, and another bracket there. So first you are going to open all those brackets. So when you open the bracket, notice there please, you are going to distribute this negative side inside. So that will be negative 2x minus 6. So negative, by the way, no number means negative 1. That negative 1 will go to the other side, inside, as negative 2x, negative 1 times negative 5, positive 5, equals to 3. And the same story there. This will go to the other inside, negative 1 times negative 15, which is positive 15, and positive x, there too, negative x, and positive 9. All right, for both sides you will do operations if you can do something. If you can't, you're going to choose one side for unknown and the other side for numbers. So let's check first. I see the negative 2x, negative 2x. For this side, no any other x. That will give me negative 4x. So negative 6 plus 5, which is going to be negative 1 equals to 3 plus 15 plus 9. That will give me 27 plus x minus x will be 0. So now I got negative 4x minus 1 equals to 27. This will go to the other side as positive. Negative 4x equals to 27 plus 1. Negative 4x equals to 28. Now this will go to the other side as division. X will be 28. Remember what I said in previous question, you won't change the sign because you're changing operation already. The sign will stay the same, which is going to be negative 4 divided by negative 4. So x will be 28 divided by negative 4, negative 7. That's going to be your final answer. Alright, now next question is 3w minus 5 over 4 minus 2 equals to 3w minus 1 over 6 minus 6w minus 3 over 2. So remember what I told you. I solved one similar question about that. You are going to check LCM of this denominator, and this denominator. What is the LCM of 2, 4 and 6? Yes, 12. I can hear someone saying 12. That's why I said yes, 12. Alright, we are going to multiply all terms by 12. Multiply by 12. By the way, multiplying this by 12. And this one multiplying by 12. And this expression multiply by 12. And this one multiply by 12. Okay, I need to simplify first. That will be 3. That will be 2. By the way, this became 1, 1. That will be 6. So you got there 3 times 3w minus 5. 12 times 2, 24 minus 24 equals to 2 times 3w minus 1 minus 6 times 6w minus 3. Open all brackets now. That will give me 9w minus 15 minus 24 equals to 6w minus 2. And from there, negative 6 times 6w, which is negative 36w, and this will be plus 18. Alright, I will do my operations now for both sides. By the way, before doing operations, you can send numbers to one side and letters down them to one side. So let me do that one first then. That is up to you. Yeah? You could do this operation and this operation and this operation first, then send the numbers to one side and down them to one side. So but for this question I want to send, as I said, numbers to one side and letters to one side first. Let me choose this side. Why? Because if I take this 9w to this side, that will be negative, and there's negative there too, and I'm going to deal with negative sign again. I don't want to deal with negative sign. That's why I take all these letters to that side and all these numbers to that side. So I will get 9w minus 6w plus 36w equals to -2 plus 18 plus 15 plus 24. That will give me 39W equals to the 16 will be 55. Then this will go to the other side as division. By the way, let's write this 55 properly. So W is going to be 55 over 39. And this is an improper fraction. You should convert to mixed number, which is going to be 1 whole 16 over 39. That's going to be my final answer. 1 whole 16 over 39, which is 55 over 39. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.